In this video, I am going to talk about AI agent that can help you to understand the stock market. It will give you the actions that you can apply in your research. It will get you the idea. It will analyze everything like the fundamentals, technicals, what analysts are saying about that stock, and in the resulting all of this, it will give you the plan whether you should hold it, buy it, or even sell it out. So hey guys, this is Basant here. In this video, I'm going to talk about this is the caveat, okay, and this particular platform is the AI agent that can help you to understand and pick the right stocks in the right time here. For example, if I go to the home section here and just ask it anything, like I can get the idea here of any stock. So let me go to this is the Apple stock here, and right now it's in the downtrend, a particular, but not resulting, it can just down. So I want to know the idea whether I should hold it or I should buy it on the dip, or what I should do, what are the analytics are saying, what are the fundamentals, what are the technicals. All this information particularly takes time. So with this AI agent, I can simply ask like, give me overview on Apple, what I should do. Okay, so I have asked a simple thing, and you can hear from make the auto with the fast answer to the research. So I will go with the extended thinking here and just click here on the enter, and now it will start analyzing. It will get the idea of or the information from the internet. It will just go through all the popular most informational website and give you the idea or result with the better understanding information in right in front of you. It will just give you the fundamentals, it will give you the analytics ideas, it will give you the technicals, whether it has the short-term breakout, everything you will get straight out in here. But still you need to do some of the manual things, like you have to just go through what are the information you are getting here. You have to just cross check whether it's actually the good or not in the charts of that stock. Okay, so because that extra cure makes you think really better here. Okay, so right now I'm start getting the results here, and you can see it is using the here it's AI to getting the ideas here. So it has just analyzed the analysis, it has just planning this strategy here. Then we have the analyzing fundamentals. Right now it is analyzing the technicals here. Okay, and I will also give you some of the advanced tips, but later in this video. First I am to showing you what the particular this AI agent can help you out here. So I start getting the results here. You can see data analysis is done here, and I think within just few seconds I will get the ideas. So particularly while it will take you around the 5 minutes to just find the information, 5 minutes to apply it on the fundamentals, 5 minutes to the technical analysis, this tool gives you the ideas within just 1 minute here. So right now you can see I got the results here. So this is the report here, and you can see the conclusion. It is giving me the hold, and why I should hold, you can see it and read it out based on the multi-dimensional analysis. It do the multi-dimensional, like I said, it do the fundamental, technical analysis, all these things here. It even just analyze the its earning report, its PE, EPS, everything here. So it can read it out here, and you can see the rating is summary, action hold, maintain the existing position but wait for the pullback to deploy a new capital here. Okay, I got it here, and the conviction rating is the 55 out of 100, that is the neutral. Okay, so world class fundamentals offset by high valuations and the poor short term technicals. Okay, I got it. Time horizon, it is giving me the around the 3 months to the 12 months. Okay, the risk level is the medium, and the consequences price is the $298 here. And right now if I go to here, you can see it's around the 298 pricing. So this is the chart, and right now on the chart I can also see that I need to hold my holdings. Okay, because it is just moving, or price is going on around its 25 EMA here. So every time it just hit the 25 EMA, it's bounced back to the up pricing here. So I am understanding better that the results and the information I am getting here is the actual pretty much solid here. Now I can just get the scorecard on the fundamentals, technical, sentimental analysis, and the news there. So everything is telling me that I should wait here for getting the more good opportunity. Okay, then this is the fundamental analysis. You can see this is the return on equity, net profit margins, everything here basically. Okay, and this is the technical analysis. Okay, and this is the catalyst and the headwinds. Okay, so all this information, if you are going to manually research it, it can take you hours, not minutes, but this AI agent lets you do in just few minutes. So this is, I have just given you one example. But if I go to discover section, you can see we have the top articles. Every detailed article for the major news or the major stocks. I got it here. This is the features that they have particularly featured here that you should know about it. This is the pro only. This is professionals. Okay, this is the stock analysis, investment ideas if you want. This is for the ETF. This is for the cryptos. Okay, so not only you can just use it for finding the information any stock, you can do it for the commodity, you can do it for the ETFs, you can do it for the cryptos. But right now this platform is only available for the US market. Let me repeat that, only for the US market. You cannot use it other than the US market. In the future they have planned that they are going to extend it with more markets like the Australia, Canada or the other market as well, but right now this is only for the US market. Okay, so in the research I have showed you, you can just ask anything and get the ideas. Okay, and right now I am going to show you some of the smart and the advanced terms. Like if I am going to search anything, like I am going to search the Netflix, what should I do in the Netflix? So I will search the Netflix here, it will give me the results, and now what I can do, I can just do the multiple things here. Okay, for example, I got the overview, I got the news, I got technical analysis, and this is the stock analysis. In the right in front of the dashboard, I can just extend the chart and see what's going on. And if I want to know more things like what I should do in this near swing trade analysis, so I will click here on the swing trade analysis, click here on the analyze, and now its AI is going to analyze this and find out in the short term whether I have the opportunity to buy the stock and sell on the higher price and get a high profit here. So this swing trade analysis, let me do that. Okay, so along with the swing trade I have also the other analysis as well, like I can do the buy or sell analysis, I can do the technical analysis, news sentiment, fundamental analysis, and there's also the trading signals overview. So this is all the things this AI agent offer you to do that here. So I got the result. This is the here near term, wait for the confirmation breakout. So let me go to the trading view and check it out what is going on. Okay, so along with the information I am also just cross checking the data here on the chart. So you can see it is asking me to wait for the confirmed daily trend change and the breakout here. So right now there is the trend bounce opportunity. Okay, in the near term you can see it's on the bottom, and it might be possible it will reverse back and there will be the trend change here. Okay, from the downtrend it can go to the uptrend. So yes, it is giving me the right and the really high quality of the information. This is the bottom line, this is the technical analysis. So near term setup around the 1 week I can got it. This is the 4-hour chart focus, it is telling me. Okay, this is all the near term. This is the swing setup, can be possible in the few days. Okay, so and along with that I am also getting the levels, like the confirmed forward entry is this price. I should put the stop loss on this price, and this is my targets here. It is telling me that the target is around the 20-day EMA. Okay, so along this I am getting the so much detailed data that I think I need to analyze to understand it better. What is going on in the company, what's going on, why it's falling, why it can be the in short term trade, everything I am getting here. So this is the swing trade analysis. But if I go to technical analysis, simply click here and now it will do the technical analysis for this particular stock here. Okay, and it only takes the few seconds. Okay, up to the I think 30 seconds to the 1 minute to get you all the information that you want. Okay, so it is collecting data. This is the data compiling here, and now I will start getting the data soon here. You can see generating the report. Okay, so let's wait for a few more seconds till I start getting the data here, and I can also check it out the history that I have done all the research here. You can see the executive report here. This is the stock. This is again I am getting the wait for the confirmation. Okay, so that's how you can use the caveat here to get the better research, better data understanding. It will give you the better understanding of the right now of that stock, what's going on, and give you the action of the planning, what you should do on that particular stock here. Okay, so this is the few things I have showed you, just discover and the research. But there's also the market movers. It will give you the top gainers, top losers, 52-week high, 52-week low. Okay, particularly this platform gives you the access that you need to pay for the multiple platform, but here in the single platform you are getting out. This is the AI stock picker. Right now what it will do, it will show you the stocks right for this week that can be the most opportunity of the getting profits. This is the smart signals. I will go to smart signals and I can do the scans. I can create the scans. Okay, so simply click here on the buy scan. create a buy scan, and it will tell you why you on which strategy you can create these scans. Like this is for the trend signals. I will go with the golden cross in the 4 hour. 4 hour gives you the better understanding of the charts and the stock here. And if I click here on the run, it will give me the stocks that have the 4 hour golden crossover. See, this is how I have showed you some of the things you can do. This is the smart money. Okay, here you will get the analysts insights, you will get the insider trades, you will get the congress trades and the guru holdings. All things you are getting in the one platform. So this is the caveat, and this platform gives you everything with the AI agent, so you can understand the data and research the market better and give you the output that makes you the advanced trader. Okay, so right now this platform is available on the lifetime deal here on the app Sumo. With starting from the just $69, you can get this platform. You don't need to pay the every month the subscription charges here. Just get the one-time payment plan here and you will get all the things. If I go to the pricing here, you can see we have the 3-tier plans. Every tier plan can give you the some of the extra features access. So tier 1 and tier 2 can not give you these features access. Okay, but here in the tier 3 you can get all these features. Okay, so you can also connect your portfolio. For example, you have to simply connect with your let me go to the portfolio toolbox. If I click here on the portfolio toolbox, here you can build your portfolio, analyze performance and optimize your allocation. You can just go to the builder here. There's also diagnosis and there's also the optimization. So how you can do that? Simply you have to go to the build your portfolio, and this is the guide that lets you how you can get started with the portfolio building and the optimization. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out this tool. The link is given in the description. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.